Hi and welcome back. I'm GC from the Good Web Business Hosting, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you where to find the free website creating tool. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can actually find this page, and when you arrive here, if you scroll right down to the very bottom, you'll need to click on Sitebuilder Creating Tool. Click that, and then what will happen is this will take you to the templates that you can use, and if you click Load More Templates or Themes, you'll find all the different themes. So let's just say in this example we use this template, and then what you'll do, you'll get a 2-minute guide will come out of that there, and then as you can see down the left hand side you've got content, and you can go through these. There are videos on the channel that go individually through how to set all this up, so you can go and look at them. You've got different settings. You can set your SEO meta tags, lots of different settings in here, different apps, all the different apps that are within the creating tool. You can upload your own files as well. So basically that's just an overview of where to find the site builder. If you've got any questions or anything like that, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can contact me. Ask your questions, even if it's the most silliest question. I don't mind. Like I say, I'm here to help you, and I'm here to help you build your website. If you decide after using the website creating tool and you would like to take hosting on with me, if you click this link here, these 3 dots, and then click there, start a real website, then that will then take you back to the hosting, and like I say, go on the YouTube and have a look at the videos. I've got videos on how to do all that. The only other thing I'll tell you at this point, if you've built a demo user template, sometimes it's a good idea just to note what template you use, because when you log off here, then it's deleted, the website's deleted, because obviously it's just a free demo software. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on other videos.